Hey guys, welcome sa another video natin. So, ito yung pang-apat ng gameplay ko. So, naggawa na ako ng nag-advance na ako rito. Naggawa na ako ng ganito. Pero hindi ko ba siya tapos guys. So, balak ko rito ay gumawa ng gumawa ng sugarcane na farm. So, yan. So guys, hindi ko pa siya tapos. Kailangan ko pa ng maraming tubig. Okay, taas lang tayo guys. Yup. So, naganda na rin ako para makuha ng loot kasi talagang gusto kong makapunta tayo sa Taral Chamber ng maaga. So, gusto ko sa 6 pa lang. 6 pang-apat yung sabi ko. Pang-5 mo lang pala. So, sa 6 may makapunta tayo sa Taral Chamber. Pero alanganin talaga guys. So, bago kong gawin, extend natin. Gusto ko sana sa pang-anin ko na upload. Gawin natin pang-8 o pang-7. Kasi kailangan ko talaga pakasa pang-8 ko sa mga upload guys. Trial chamber. So, yung mga aso ko sasama ko yung mga aso ko ron. Hindi. Lalaban kami. I need the maze. Oh shit. This is my making a farm. Kasi ito lang alam ko guys. So yung mga sugarcane, hindi pa lumalago. Hindi pa siya naglagay na ako dun. Kasi maliliit pa rin. So, okay pa na bakit na yun. Yan. Then, tap. So we are day 23 in the hardcore mode. This world, okay. One last guys. Hey buddy. Hello. Hey. Hey, come here. Huh? Okay. Come on. Up. So, what the heck? So, we are now making a sugar farm. Yes. Kailangan natin ay na lang guys. We need the sugar cane. But, guys, okay. We need that more. We need that more, guys. This one I got. Guys. Only. Look at this, guys. Only this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 9. And it's not enough. So, hanap pa tayo sa ibang, Yes, I have a boat. Come here. Eh, hindi ko nagawa. So, lilibot lang tayo, guys. Hanapin natin kung sa amin. Oh my god, naglalag. Hanapin natin kung sa amin sugarcane. Oh my god, come here. This is sucks. I'm going from here. Let's start with this. This is magma. We need that. Yes, we find this. Sugarcane. The jungle nearby. This is cool. Okay. What the heck? Yes. Collect this sugarcane. Sugarcane. We need to search for sugarcane. Yes. Oh my, how tall is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you break some leaves. What a rare. This is not rare. It's happening all the time with some player. Yo, I love sugar cane. Give me this. Also, I'm lagging. Another one. Portal. Come on. Yes. We have 14 now. Let's go. Searching. Oh my god. Wait, this biome is small, bro. This is jungle. I swear, this is jungle. This is jungle, but this is jungle, bro. You know this, right? This is jungle. Yeah, Oxalot then. Oxalot is from in jungle, right? Cat. Yeah, we have a jungle. Oh. But this is small. This is small, guys. Oh my god. It would be great if that big. Oh my god, it's getting night now. Rainbow. Where's my boat? Where's place my boat? My boat, bro. Here. Oh my god, I love. Let's go over here. Okay, guys. This is it. And next goal is cow farm. Like the one comment say. Oh, ender. Okay, I'm gonna look at it, bro. I don't wanna die. Let's find some more. Also 21, this is not enough, guys. Hindi ko to sapat. Pero kaya na to. Pag tinanim ko tutubong. So, kaya na palaki ng malaki. Pero nga pa tayo, guys. Baka meron. Baka meron pa. Okay, that's lava. Okay, this is enough. Okay, guys. Actually, what is this? Cave. This is ravine. Yeah, this is ravine. Oh no, I'm almost die. With this. Let's go up. I'm searching for ayun na, spawner, guys. So we can make a XP farm natin. Open. River. So guys, malapit na pala yung pasukan. Oh my god. Ano nga yun? June 26? 26 pa yan? Hindi ko alam. Oh my gosh, malapit na. Meron na tayong baon ulit. Yo, let's go. My god, ang dapat eh. Go in here. Ano yung nasa isip ko? Minsan lutang ako, guys. May sign ako. Pumunta ko rito, pero ang layo pa naman. Oh no, what is that? That's skeleton. Oh my gosh. So many mobs. Die. I'm so good with this. I'm so good. No, I can hit you, bro. Die. Oh, give me a sword. Your sword is gonna suck. Let me some fighting with bro. Hey, you sure? Oh no! May weapons pa. Hey, here you go. I need your XP. Okay. We're getting night now. It's also night. So, follow me. I'm very grateful if I survive with this. It's a long time, like 100 days on this, guys. Oh my god, so many mobs. No way, no way. No way, they escaped me. Also, we can, guys, kung matulog tayo, guys, kailangan natin yung skeleton yung bone para makagawa tayo ng bone meal, makaharvest natin, guys. So, we need to shoot. Yes, meron pa nga yun. Wala na akong power, wala na akong wood. We can fight skeleton. We need the bone. Oh no. People. Okay. You follow me, bro. Creeper is so dumb. Die. Give me your bone. No. Nailed him. Kill my pickle. Die. No. My aim's ruined. Oh my god. Maybe we could die with that. Oh no, people. Oh my gosh. I changed my mind. We're getting saved now. I don't wanna die. What is this? How do we need that bone? What is dangerous, guys? One on creeper. Hi, dog. Ang dami nyo na. Ay, mahirap nyo na pakainin. Holy shit, guys. Oh my gosh. If I close the door and then bomb, die. Let's plan this sugarcane. Where's that? Is this? Okay. Oh my gosh. This is enough with one line. Okay. What the heck? So guys, meron akong ikikwento. So nang nasa school pa ako, grade 10. So vacant. So walang klase sa subject. Kalimutan ka na. Tapos may nangyari. May nagsuntukan, guys. So, nanonood lang kami, guys. May nagsuntukan. Tapos, grabe yung isa, guys. Dugo yung mukha. So, huwag yung gagawin, guys. Masama yun. Suntukan. Masama yung gawin. At, hindi ko yung ginagawa. Masama yun, guys. Grabe talaga suntukan, guys. Tuwan-tuwa pa kami ng mga kaibigan ko kasi susuntukan na. Okay, we can call it this, Yo! going. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Let's go. I can bone of this. I can make more. I can make more. Maganda. Yes, we have 25. So now we make this. Like this. We have enough bone, guys. Hindi pala ako lang. Buti na marami tayong bone. Yo, 15. This is sobra pa nga, guys. Okay. Yo, we have now sugarcane farm. Medyo maliit pa yan, pero okay na yan. Pag lumaki yan, we can make harvest that. Next, cow. We need cow. How to do that? Also, we need the axe. The axe is broken. Oh, the axe is okay. It's fine. Let's chop wood. Huh? I'm lagging. What the fuck? Huh? Ay nako, guys. Bakit kaya yung taong gusto mo ay hindi ka gusto? Pero yung taong yung taong gusto ka, hindi mo naman siya gusto. What the fuck? That is a reality. That's why pag oh my god, I'm a speaker. Hi pig. Hi pig. We're doing it. Okay. He's up. I think my dog is ready for that trial chamber, but I will make them more. I will make them more. Like a dog army. Like a dog army, guys. I'll make them more. Bakit dun sa ginawa ko ng bahay, guys? Kasi napapansin ko, walang masyado nag-spam ng animal mobs. Walang masyado nag-spam, guys. Puro lang sa horse. Kabayo ba yan? Lang yung nag-spam, guys. And it's the sucks. Kailangan ko pa pumunta ng malayong lugar. So guys, pwede natin guys 29. This is enough. So saan ko natin lalagay? Pepes ko. Saan ko natin lalagay? Siguro dito guys. Dito. Yun guys, wala nag-guest stamp talaga ng animals or something. Wala. Man? Wala. This is sucks. So, gawa tayo rito ng farm. Saan kaya dito? Ito na lang, guys. Ganda ko farm. Cow farm. Mag-aalaga tayo ng baka. Tika, masyadong malaki. Oh my god, di kasya. Oh, hindi kasya. Okay, may gagawin ako. Yes. Diba? So, kaya natin humanap ng baka. Bago yan, kaya muna tayo. Kasi, nalolow saturation na tayo. Nalolow food na ako. So, kailangan natin kumain. Okay, so, yeah. It's fine. Chicken. Lalalaba. Chicken. Gusto mo? Okay to. Lalalaba. Chicken. Up. Blah. Hindi naman kayo namamatay sa gutom eh. Okay lang kayo magutom. Hindi naman kayo nagugutom. Okay. So, I'm full of food now and then, yan na ito. Hanap tayo ng baka sa paramihin natin, guys. Kahit makadalaw man lang tayo. Kailangan natin yun, guys. So, dito marami nag-spam ng animal. Doon sa dito, wala naman siya. Wala ka dyan. Ay, nako. Mga na sana kung mayroon. Man? Doon may. Oh, more! But, wait. Have a bone? Yes. No, there to na lang. Oh no, ikaw. Oh my god. Ito mga kailangan kong aso. Malalakas, matatapang. No. Yes, I'm joking. Sorry. Can't be more. Gagabi na naman. Oh, tulog tayo, guys. Kailangan ulit bumalik. Pero may dala tayong bagong member of the army. Come here, dog. Welcome to the member. You are now member dog army. Yes. She said yes. I'm in. Here your bro. Let's welcome the new member. I don't know his name. She don't have name because wala pa siyang name tag. Okay, bukas na ba? Sleep tayo. Sleep. Yo. Need a cow. It's searching a cow. Hey, Crush. Yo! Tatlo. Maghugot line sana ako. Sabi ko, hey, Crush. Ano yan? Kalimutan ko na sabihin ko. Tatlo kasi nakita ko. Tara. Yes! It's easy. I'm so good. Look at that, guys. I'm searching with cow. And then I see a tree. Unlucky, guys. Come here. Oh, lupit ang isa. Oh, hey! Oh, hey, bumaba na siya. Come here. We need you to, guys. We need you to more. Come here. Come here. Come on, bro. This is your new home. Yes. Guys, paano to tatlo? My God. Paano tong isa? Nasa gitna, guys. Pag pinakain ko to. My gosh. Sorry, boy. Alam ko masasaktan kapag ginawa ko to, pero maghintay ka na lang sa anak nila. Pwede kayong dalawa. Ng anak nilang dalawa. Oh. Tawag doon, child abuse. Sorry, bro. Oh, kawawa naman itong isa. Yan, kayong dalawa ay siya yung maging asawa mo sa picture. Ha? Yeah, sabi niya, kayo, anak nyo ay kakasal dito. Katulad nyo rin, magkaano din sila. Wait. You can tell? No, hindi ka na feel. It's better. Yay, have a cow now. Solve the problem. I solved the problem. Okay. Where did I go? Also, the post is gone. The post in the bottom, bro. I think I did not open. Let me setting up. Where's the post me now? It's actually here. But no. There's no. No. Hey dog. Oh. It's kinda boring, guys. But I will promise, pag nakita ko na yung child chamber, pakita ko, guys, makukuha ko yung maze, and then let's kill the ender dragon. Nope. Before, kailangan po muna sa fortress, guys. Tanya, guys, may gold. Makuna akong gold yung hatigos. Makuha natin. So, unahin natin. Pati mas madali natin mga napintal. Siyempre, kasi gamit natin, guys. Diba? Gamitin yun sa pag, lilipad tayo, guys. So, madali yung explore natin. Exploration. So, let's gusto hindi ko, guys, si basta nether. Saka, guys, wala pa akong pagkain. I mean, may pagkain ako kasi kulang. Wait, I can make a bread. Let's go, guys. I can make a bread, bro. I can make a shield. I need shield on that. Also, piglin. Oh my god, can't kill it. I need to prepare. Prepare for the dangerous. Oh my god, my armor skin broke na, bro. I have a pants. This, oh god, I have a. I can make. Bro, this for emergency only, guys. Yes, can make this. Damn. It's good if this helmet, but my helmet is broken, bro. My golden helmet is broken. Maraming block. Oh, masking, guys. May gamit to eh. May itong pang regeneration eh. Basta makuha mo lang yung bulaklak na dilaw, guys. Hindi. Yung kulay puti, guys. Yung suspicious shoe ba yun? Stew? Okay, let's like this, guys. Ito, guys, itong bulaklak to, guys. So pag ito, okay, paano ba to? Oh, can make this. Oh, I don't have bone. I didn't see it. So guys, di ba ito? Let's wait lang, guys. Spell this nightmare. Ready ka. Diba guys, bowl. Suspicious too. Tapos, diba guys, pag may mga, kahit anong bulaklak pwede yung ilagay. Tapos may kanya-kanyang effect. So, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat. Dahil, ito guys, pag kinain mo guys, meron siyang regeneration guys. Pag kinain mo to, gamit yung bulaklak na yun, nilagay mo, inadid mo yung bulaklak na yun. Kasi, iba guys, pangit guys, iba yung makukuha mo. Diba, night vision or ano. Pero ito guys, maganda. Regeneration. Pero may pang bulaklak na maganda rin. Ano ta? Instant heal. Ito, regeneration guys. Okay, I forgot. Let's go to another. I don't have sword! Oh my god, pumunta ko sa nether, wala akong sword. Oh my gosh. And guys, medyo maliligaw pa ako rito guys. Oh my gosh. Kailangan ko matandaan yung coordinate. What I hear? Okay, people are there. I have a sword, but it's dying. My sword is dying. No, oh my god, I'm going to the lava. Okay, I have a flint and steel in case that. Hey bro. No, oh my god, I lost my bow. What the no! 2v1 guys, 2v1. Oh my god. No, yes! What? Tinamaan niya yung isa. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko nakita guys, pero nag-grab siya. Tama ng fireball. Thanks, guys. Okay, this is I hate these mobs. Going to me. I have to kill this. I have to kill this. Yeah, die. What the fuck? No, you did die. Yes. I need your move. I don't have sword. I need to crop. I don't have the sword. My gosh. Going to another with stone sword. No way. It's okay na guys kung iron. Magandang diamond eh. Mas tatamad ako magmina. We need the happy ghost. We need that. That is a mission. That is a mission, guys. We need to be careful. No. You see me? You see me? My gosh. We need to be careful. That ghost is snow. Alam niyo na nandito tayo, guys. Naabangan lang tayo, guys. Man? Nakabantay siya, guys. Oh. Alam niya, guys. He knows. Wait. Man. Alam niya, guys. I have to be careful. Let's make a new... Happy Gwen. Hey. Oh, gosh. I hate that mob. That mob is sucks. Okay. Die. Oh my god. No! My god. So why I hate that mobs? stay stronger. Halos mamatay tayo guys dun Kailangan natin makapunta makuha yung happy ghost. Wait! What's that? Bro? That fortress? My gosh! What? Oh my gosh! Hey guys, look what I found! Fortress. I don't need happy ghost. You find fortress, guys. This is now. That's all I need is to prepare. Some gear. I need diamond and then golden apple more. Okay guys. Now I found. Let me go to that. I found. This is cool, bro. Ingat tayo guys, baka tayo mahulog. Patay ako dito. No! What the heck? So we are sneaking into the fortress, guys. God. I found fortress, guys. I like Minecraft now, guys. Kasi mas marami na yung chance na malapit mag-respawn sa yung fortress, guys. Yung gantong structure sa nether. Kasi dati, guys, sa ibang Minecraft, sa ibang version, kaya mag-travel ng malayo. May ganun parang ngayon, kaya mo parang mag-travel ng malayo. Pero, mabilis na. Ngayon, napapansin ko, guys, more chance na makita natin ito ng mabilis. You see that wither skeleton? Oh my god. I'm gonna cook right now. I hope there's chance to drop, skeleton, wither skeleton. Wither skeleton. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh my god, my video size is now 1.07 gig now, guys. This is how long this video, guys. Go on. And now I know di ko alam kung in-apply na dito yun. Na-apply na ba yan? Yung, di ba yung, no way. Okay. Na-apply na ba yung buff sa Blaze? Guys. Na-apply na ba yan? Yung mas na siya, guys. Mas malayo na yung reach niya, yung niya, guys, yung banditex. Oh my god, I don't have arrow. If I arrow, he'll die now, bro. Let me use a tactic. Timing. Hey. No, this is bad. Okay. I'm going to the lava. We're going to the lava. We're going to the lava. Bye. Yes, Blaze. No. Shit. I don't see. Oh my god. Dapat pala nag-texture ako ng low fire, guys. Oh my god. So susunod mag-texture ako ng low fire. Hindi ko makita sa screen. No. No way. You can die me, bro. Oh my god, there is no. Guys, these gingers. They're following, bro. They're following. They're following. They're following, guys. We need to run out. No. Mas ano nang guys ngayon ng Blaze. Mas pinalakas na guys. Yung sa beta guys. Mas pinalakas na yung range niya. Oh, I hate that mobs. What I should have mobs, bro. I hate that mobs. We need to run. Where's my coordinate? Neither coordinate. My portal. Okay. We'll go back here guys in another episode. Okay, that's gonna suck still. If we die, that's gonna suck. Oh, the mod. Also, no, bro. Oh shit, guys. No way, dude. No way. No way. I hate that. Oh my god, we are going to die now. Okay. We shall be safe. Oh! Come on guys. We see that. Baka makakuha tayo dun ng happy cause. Yes, I'm so lucky guys. Oh, my show broke. No, I can fight guys. Also we can use this phone. Oh, that have a punch and fire. Oh no, this sucks. What the heck? No! Oh my gosh! No, guys! My gosh. I love it. Yes, because... Oh, I hate that mob. You can go with the Sultan. That's your weakness. Yes! Hey, guys. Oh, what the fuck? Bro. Oh, I'm lagging. No, I don't want this. Oh my god. I need a better idea, guys. So, nakita nyo, mga skeleton and then two mobs. The top secret. So, isip natin mabuti ang pag-cross para hindi tayo mamatay. Die. Okay. Let's have a punch, bro. You can fight with long range. What the heck? No way, dude. There you go. No way! You have a punch! Yes, you die! You idiot! No! Yes! I need to... Come on. I'm not wasting time, guys. No one can... Come on. Yes, guys! I won, yes! Okay. Also, when did this spawn? No, guys, I don't... Come on, die. No. I swear you guys, I'm not dead. I'm not gonna die. Oh my god, you have one chance. Idiot guys, nerd. I think he can defeat me, bro. I'm so good. No way. Sorry, I'm not good, bro. I'm lying. No. I'm surrounded by mobs. Wait. They're fighting. They are two idiots, guys. What a moron. No, I hate the mobs. I hate this so much, guys. I think I'm gonna die. Yes, what an idiot. Oh my god, I'm dying. Need to be careful, guys. More be careful. What? This is another. Okay. Yo! Guys. So problema natin. Mas kapalaki natin, guys. Kaya pa natin pumunta sa snow. We need to find snow biome to grow this. Ganun ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Yesterday. Yes. Finally. Hey guys. Hey chill. Okay, bakit? Bro, can show bro. Yeah, bro. Let's make a ladder. Then so talaga dito natin to. Lagyan natin dito. Then yan guys. Happy goes. Yo, lumulak na siya guys. So guys, dito na natapos yung video guys. Naglalag na ako saka malapit ako ma-post ko guys. So this is for now guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new, please drop a sub and like. Also thanks for watching guys. Bye. See you.